So let me talk to you guys about this trade that I took on GBP USD. I'm looking for a market reversal here, right? Since everything that is to our left was already taken out due to this push that we had from NFP on Friday. I have price coming somewhere near this zone right around here, because again, we have to go ahead and fill up that inefficiency that we have right there. And I'm starting to see weakness in price. What I'm waiting for is for the low to get taken out, since again, both sides of the market have to be absolutely taken out in a range. So where I started getting interested in this level was the fact that we were ranging here. And when I see that, I see exhaustion in price, right? Now, we started trading lower. And once I start to see these little candles right here, just consolidating, I know that price wants to start shifting. And since we have a lot of money that is left up here, I know this is going to start to move. So I was invested in this because, again, we are in a psychological level at the 1.20, which is a very, very strong level of reaction, which I was absolutely interested in as soon as I saw it. So we have the range here. We broke out. Then I start seeing the price shift. Now, the point that I was interested here was because I wanted this high to get taken, right? I wanted this high to get taken. And as soon as I saw that, and the Powell news technically started to hit around the same time, around 12:45, I was absolutely invested in the trade. So what did I do here? I'm aiming for this high to get taken out because, again, both sides of a range have to get taken out at some point. See, there are different types of ranges, and that is actually going to be put in another video. But for this range, I know that both sides of the market have to get taken out just because of the movement. So what I did here was I was waiting for the 120 to get tapped, and I'm going into the shorter time frame because I want to find my stop loss. Now, this is the level of structure that needs to be filled. So I'm safe on my stop loss right here with the 17 pip stop loss, and I am aiming for this high to be taken out, which is 80 pips of profit. I'm comfortable with that. I am perfect with that, especially on a Tuesday where there was rarely any movement on the market. So what I did was I just waited for my opportunity for price to come down to my level, which was right here. So this high was broken. We came back. We're consolidating before the Powell news drop. And then we get this touch right around here. That right there is my entry. I was in about 3 pips. I was really in drawdown here because I'm very, very specific with the shorter time frames, and I try to dig in as much as possible. And sometimes I even go into my line chart. Look at the line chart, how it follows. You see that all of the structure that is being built right around here. And we have to trade back down here to fill in that level of structure. I love using my line chart. And let me show you guys the result of this beautiful trade. And I hope you guys enjoy it. TP was hit in a matter of just minutes. Thank you, Jerome Powell. 80 pips to the bag.